In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Books with Shopify. This integration allows for seamless management of your Shopify sales within Zoho's accounting platform, optimizing your e-commerce operations. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard. Start by opening up your preferred web browser and head directly to the Zoho Books website. Once you're there, sign in with your credentials to access your dashboard. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your financial status, including reports, transactions, and more. Now, to start the integration process, locate the Settings option on your dashboard. It's usually represented by a gear icon, which is a pretty universal symbol for settings menus. Click on this icon to open up the Settings page. On the Settings page, find and select the Connections option. This section is where all integrations and connections with other platforms can be managed, allowing you to connect Zoho Books with various apps that are critical to your business operations. In the Connections section, click on the New Connection button. This will open up a list of available apps and services that you can connect with Zoho Books. Here, find Shopify from the list. Once you spot it, click on Shopify to begin setting up the connection. You'll now be prompted to provide details for this new connection. Start by typing in a connection name. This name is essentially for your reference, so choose something that you'll easily recognize, indicating that it pertains to Shopify. Next, you'll need to enter a connection link name. Much like the connection name, this is another identifier to help you easily identify and manage this connection in the future. Keep it simple and relevant, perhaps including your shop's name or another identifier. Once you've entered the necessary information, it's time to finalize the connection. Hit the Create and Connect button. This action triggers the system to establish a secure link between Zoho Books and your Shopify store. You'll probably need to authorize this connection from your Shopify account. Follow any additional prompts or verification steps that appear to ensure the connection setup is complete and secure. And that's about it. You now have successfully integrated Zoho Books with Shopify. This integration means that the sales data from your Shopify store will now flow seamlessly into Zoho Books, facilitating streamlined accounting and financial analysis. By having an integrated system, you can enjoy reduced manual entry errors and spend more time focusing on growing your e-commerce business. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your business tools and workflows. Until next time, happy selling!